Hello and welcome back again to CryptoNovus. My name is Chris Brown and I am the host. I promised that I was going to keep track of Litecoin, and Litecoin had a fantastic weekend, so I just wanted to do a very quick video on that. Um, Basically, on Saturday, I think it was Saturday, Litecoin was definitely moving sideways here on the 8th. And it was just hovering around the 345 level. It kind of dipped down to this level of support that it was getting at around 339. Came up a little bit to this high trading volume line of 345. But then on the 9th, towards the tail end of the day, so at the beginning of the 9th, it was at 347. So at the tail end of the day, it actually popped up to this range around the 361, and around 2 o'clock yesterday, it started to climb and it made a strong ascend up to a price of 413.91. Now, since then, it certainly has, it came down. So it started to come down last night at around 11 o'clock, looks like, and came down to the 20 EMA and hovered around here at around 386, spiked up again to just under 400 this morning, and then it came crashing down all the way to 337 again, to this level of support. So it's got good, strong support at this level at 339. It's because it went down to there, and then it's come back up to around 360. If you notice here on the trading volumes, there isn't much trading volume happening at around 368 or 374. So, it's going to try to get back up to the 400, I think, but it's got a few little bars to get through. If it can break past the 400, then we're probably looking at a new all-time high again. But this is huge success for Litecoin because, like the other digital money assets in crypto space, like Zcash and Bitcoin Cash, they've all been seeing some nice increases, and it's nice to see for Litecoin that it has achieved a new all-time high in this bull run. I have personally a little affection towards Litecoin because it was in fact the first digital asset I actually purchased back in 2017. So I have an affection for it. There are some nice articles written here in investing.com. As you can see, there's a series of them on this new achievement for Litecoin. And the power of this is that Litecoin has still maintained its position in the top 10, which we'll take a look at in a second. So here you've got Litecoin's time in the sun. This is kind of a very quick little article on it, but it says the cryptocurrency market is ablaze with gains. Bitcoin is moving sideways, as mentioned. Ethereum surpassed 4,000. And Litecoin has finally reached a new time high as well. Litecoin has continued to hang on to the cryptocurrency top 10, but some are going to say that Chainlink and Uniswap could actually move it out of its present position. And we're going to pull up coin market cap here in a minute and see what it looks like it's doing right now. However, it still maintained itself. Litecoin has risen more than 110% since March. So congratulations to them. And so let's take a quick look at coin market cap. So here we are at coin market cap. Dogecoin still holding number 4, which is pretty amazing. We have down here, there is Litecoin sitting at top 10, being trailed by Chainlink at number 11 and Uniswap at number 12. Stellar is at 13. Right now, Litecoin is sitting at 362. It's sitting at 24, basically $24 billion in market cap right now, which it's just below Bitcoin Cash's market cap of 24.7 billion. So congratulations for Litecoin. If that's it for today, just wanted to quickly throw that out there, keep track of what's going on. I know those of you in the Litecoin community are happy with these results. So that's it for today. Look forward to seeing you all in the next video tomorrow. Again, my name is Chris Brown. I'm the host. You guys have blessings. Bye.